Hi, is this seat taken?
Not at all. Go ahead.
Thanks. This place is much busier than I expected.
It really is. I almost couldn't find a seat.
I'm Alex, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too.
Is this your first time here?
Yeah, actually, a friend recommended this cafe.
Well, your friend has good taste.
I hope so. What do you usually order here?
Their caramel latte is amazing.
Good to know. I ordered an iced latte.
That's one of my favorites too.
Really? Then I made the right choice.
Absolutely.
Do you live around here?
Yeah, just about 10 minutes away.
That's convenient.
How about you?
I'm new to the area.
Oh, welcome.
Thanks. I'm still trying to explore the neighborhood.
There are lots of great places nearby.
Any recommendations?
There's a beautiful park just behind this cafe,
That sounds perfect.
especially around sunset.
I'll definitely check it out.
Do you enjoy being outdoors?
Yeah, I love hiking and photography.
No way! I enjoy photography too.
Seriously?
Yup, mostly street photography.
That's awesome.
What kind of camera do you use?
Just a mirrorless camera.
Nice. I usually take pictures with my phone.
Honestly, phones are getting really good these days.
I couldn't agree more.
So, what do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer.
That sounds creative.
It is. Every day is different.
I'm a mechanical engineer.
Wow, that must be challenging.
Sometimes, but I enjoy solving problems.
That's a great attitude.
Thanks. What do you enjoy most about your job?
Probably creating something people love.
That's really rewarding.
Exactly.
Looks like our drinks are ready. Perfect timing. I'm really glad we started talking.
Me too.
Maybe we can grab coffee again sometime?
I'd like that.
Can I have your number?
Of course. Great. I'll text you later today.
Looking forward to it.
Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too.
Take care. See you soon.